Ask your doctor or pharmacist about using this product safely. If you are taking other medications, then consult with your doctor or pharmacist before using Osteo Bi-Flex Tablet. You should always consult with your pharmacist or physician before taking any new medication, including Osteo Bi-Flex Tablet. This is especially important if you have any existing medical conditions or are currently taking other medications. Your healthcare provider can provide personalized guidance on the appropriate use of Osteo Bi-Flex Tablet based on your individual health needs. Before we get started, it's important to remember that you should always consult your pharmacist or physician before taking any new medication. In the US, you can call your doctor for medical advice about any potential side effects. If you experience any side effects, you can also report them to the FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088 or at www.fda.gov/medwatch. If you're in Canada, you can also call your doctor for medical advice about side effects. Additionally, you can report any side effects to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. Now, let's talk about the uses of Osteo Bi-Flex Tablet. This medication is commonly used to help support joint comfort, mobility, and flexibility. It may also help with occasional joint stiffness. The recommended daily dosage may vary depending on the specific product, so be sure to follow the instructions on the packaging or as directed by your healthcare provider. When it comes to the optimal timing for taking Osteo Bi-Flex Tablet, it's generally recommended to take it with a meal. This can help with absorption and minimize any potential stomach discomfort. As always, it's important to speak with your doctor before starting any new medication to ensure it's the right choice for you. You should always consult with your pharmacist or physician before taking any new medication, including Osteo Bi-Flex Tablet. This is especially important if you have any existing medical conditions or are currently taking other medications. Your healthcare provider can provide personalized guidance on the appropriate use of Osteo Bi-Flex Tablet based on your individual health needs. It's important to consult your pharmacist or physician before starting Osteo Bi-Flex Tablet. Make sure to keep a list of all your medications and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. This will help them ensure that Osteo Bi-Flex Tablet is safe for you to use alongside your other medications. The daily dosage for Osteo Bi-Flex Tablet can vary depending on your specific needs, so it's best to follow the instructions provided by your healthcare provider. It's typically recommended to take Osteo Bi-Flex Tablet with a meal and a full glass of water to help with absorption. This can also help reduce the risk of stomach upset. If you or someone you know has taken too much Osteo Bi-Flex Tablet and is experiencing severe symptoms like fainting or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical help by calling 911 or contacting a poison control center. In the US, you can reach out to your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222, while Canadian residents can call a provincial poison control center for assistance. Remember, it's crucial to act quickly in these situations to ensure proper medical attention. Unfortunately, there is no official information available about Osteo Bi-Flex Tablet at the moment. But this product is commonly used to support joint health and mobility. It is recommended to take 1 to 2 tablets daily, preferably with food. It's best to take the tablets at the same time every day for optimal results. Make sure to follow the dosage instructions on the label or as directed by your healthcare professional. You should always consult with your pharmacist or physician before taking any new medication, including Osteo Bi-Flex Tablet. This is especially important if you have any existing medical conditions or are currently taking other medications. Your healthcare provider can provide personalized guidance on the appropriate use of Osteo Bi-Flex Tablet based on your individual health needs. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.